Hello everyone, and welcome back to the SNS channel. We're hopping into spring with this cute bunny design while using the new Bear to Dare collection from SNS. All the products used in the video will be in the description below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, let's get to it. We've already prepped the nail and applied natural set. For the full-length tutorial, click the link on screen. For the color, we're using BD10 Bear to Dare Cashmere Cardigan with the Jealous base. Apply Jealous base over the nail, avoiding the cuticle line. Then dip into BD10 at a 90-degree angle and tap the nail once removing it. Repeat the process one more time. Dust off any excess powder on the finger. Now we're going to apply sealer dry on the whole nail and make sure to get the nail tip. File and buff. After you're done filing, please wash your hands with only water, no soap. Dry your hands and apply one more layer of sealer dry. Wait for it to completely dry and then use the SNS UV Gel Star base coat. Cure under the UV LED light for 30 seconds. Then we will use Gel Star Color Winter Wonderland 11 and start working on the bunny design. Follow along here. Cure under the UV for 30 seconds. Now use Gel Star 72 to draw the eyes. Use Gel Star 131 to create cute pink bunny ears. Cure under the UV for 30 seconds. And apply Gel Star UV top. Cure for 30 seconds one more time. To finish off the look, we will use the SNS Vitamin Oil. And there you go. look at that cute design. Thank you so much for joining us. Please comment below with any questions and which tutorials you'd like to see next. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, bye!